Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today we are going to give you a concise comparison between the Doordash in Toronto, Canada and Uber Eats also in Toronto, Canada. So which one you should use? So first, let's talk about the availability and the restaurant selection. DoorDash operates in suburban and rural areas with strong local partnerships. And Uber Eats, on the other hand, has wider urban coverage. It's very common in downtown Toronto and connected to the override ecosystem. Now let's talk about the fees. The delivery fees for DoorDash roughly from $1.99 to $5.99 plus 10 to 15% service fees. And Uber Eats on the other side, they charge you around $2 to $6.99 plus 15% or similar to 15% service fees. Now let's talk about the subscription that the Dash Pass. It actually comes with a $9.99 per month free delivery on $12 plus orders, and over Eats are over on one the subscription that actually offers by Uber Eats are actually $9.99 per month also, and it has also free delivery on $15 plus orders plus 5 to 10% off. So pricing between both is close, but people report Uber Eats often cheaper on the same restaurant by $2 to $3. Now the speed and reliability. Average delivery time for DoorDash is 35 minutes and Uber Eats takes approximate 37 minutes. So DoorDash slightly more consistent across different times and weather. Uber may pick up pace in peak urban demand but can surge fees during bad weather. Now let's talk about the Toronto rider voices that actually DoorDash small cities order are slow and Uber Eats tip a lot more as well. So the from local editors actually told that I finally switched to DoorDash, but it's been fantastic. But Uber tends to have better tippers, but DoorDash has much better base pace. And another one says that I make more money on Uber Eats than DoorDash. It's extremely market dependent. So this shows that driver experience varies a lot. Some find DoorDash pays more reliably and others prefer Uber due to order volume or tipping. Now here's the bottom line that choose DoorDash if you want consistent service, phone support and strong suburb coverage, and choose Uber Eats if you are in Toronto's downtown, seek faster delivery, international options and strong tipping culture. So here is the best strategy for you that use both apps. Check which offers better menu, pricing or fees on the day. So that's pretty much all thing. If you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and let us know which one you are going to choose. And that's pretty much all thing. Thanks for watching. Till next time.